is the electrician's junior belt bag manufactured by the Italian BM Group. The set comes in a reinforced nylon pouch and contains 3 VDE screwdrivers, combination pliers, and scissors with a case. First, let's check the pouch. It has one main compartment with straps that hold the tools firmly, 2 smaller pockets, internal and external. There are 2 open-bottomed screwdriver pockets on the sides, a belt clip, and a D-ring tether. So, next we have 3 VDE insulated screwdrivers. The tips are made of burnished chrome vanadium steel. They will last for a long time. The blade is connected to the handle via an insulated shaft. The handle itself is made of bi-component reinforced elastomer and is designed in such a way to provide you with a non-slip grip and allow you to get extra high torsion force with minimal effort. And for easy identification, you have the markings on the top. It wouldn't be an electrician's pouch without isolated combination pliers. Those are made of chromium vanadium steel with induction hardening treatment and opaque surface bluing. This ensures great performance and long service. The handle is made of ergonomic material. It has anti-slip grooves, but just in case, you also have the safety slip guard. Last but not least, we have the X-Pro scissors that were awarded with the prestigious International Red Dot Award. They come with a holder that you can attach to your belt and take out at any angle. The handle is made of ergonomic bi-component material and is held by a locking mechanism that can be unlocked in an easy manner. The spring opening system allows the scissors to be opened effortlessly. The blades have a few different sections with anti-skid micro-serrated parts for effective stripping and cutting. They are made of stainless steel and you can adjust the friction by opening the cap. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over 600,000 items and get everything you want. You need it? We have it.